Hello everyone. Let me ask a quick question. How many of us make use of WhatsApp every day? I'm guessing almost all of us. But do you know that WhatsApp contains some hidden features that most users ignore? But these features can make your experience with WhatsApp smoother, safer, and even more fun. Today, I'm going to review some of the best WhatsApp tricks that most users overlook but can totally change the way you chat, share, and secure your messages. Let's go.
Hey everyone. Welcome back to Beauty EDU Tech, your go-to place for tech tips made simple. Today, we're uncovering hidden WhatsApp tricks that you'll wish you knew earlier. Let's dive in. Worried about privacy? You can lock your chats using your phone's passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. Just go to WhatsApp settings greater than privacy greater than chat lock and activate it. Secure your messages with ease. Did you know you can run 2 WhatsApp accounts on one phone? Keep work and personal chats separate. Just go to Settings, add a second account, and switch between them effortlessly. Accidentally deleted a message? No worries. With the Undo Delete feature, you can instantly restore deleted messages, even if they were deleted for everyone. A lifesaver. Want to send a WhatsApp message without saving a contact? Just enter the number, select the country, and hit send. No clutter in your contacts, quick and easy. Meta AI is now in WhatsApp. Open a new chat, select Meta AI, accept the terms, and start chatting. Ask questions, get suggestions, AI at your fingertips. Take AI a step further. Use the Hey Pat feature to integrate AI into your WhatsApp. Visit their website, start a chat, and unlock endless possibilities. Need instant answers? Meta AI's search feature suggests responses while you type, making it faster to get the information you need. Spice up your chats. Enable emoji shortcuts in settings and watch text transform into fun emojis automatically. Express yourself effortlessly. If you use WhatsApp on PC, boost your productivity with handy keyboard shortcuts. Navigate faster and chat smarter. Never lose a chat again. Head to Settings greater than chat backup and save your conversations securely. Why stick with default stickers? Create your own custom stickers from your photos or let AI generate fun ones. Personalize your WhatsApp experience. And that's it. Now you know the coolest hidden WhatsApp tricks that'll level up your messaging game. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you next time on Beauty EDU Tech.
Leave a comment for us at the comment section if you found this video helpful. Don't also forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.